Hey everyone, this is Zelda from Zelda Sews and welcome back to my channel. I learned how to use my buttonhole foot and I wanted to share with you how you make a buttonhole. I know it's probably very simple for many people. They have the machines that have the one-step buttonhole and my machine does. It's an HC 1850, a brother, and I just want to show you how I make a buttonhole. I'm using a scrap piece of fabric, a button, the buttonhole foot, and my machine. So if this is something you'd like to see, keep watching. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have threaded your machine, you have thread in your bobbin, and you're going to change the settings on your brother sewing machine to a setting that accommodates a buttonhole. I'm going to use number 39. It's a keyhole type buttonhole. First thing you want to do is remove this presser foot because that presser foot will not allow you to make the buttonhole. So there's a little black lever back here. Just press that and it will drop right off. And just make sure you know where you put that when you're done. Okay, now you're going to be using this buttonhole foot and it adjusts to the buttons by using a slide. So what you will do, take your button and put it in that position, put it in that little space in between and push it up or push it up to put it in, pull it down to lock it into place. Right here is where your presser foot is going to hook onto your sewing machine. Sometimes it can be a little challenging trying to line it up, but don't give up. I'm going to sit this underneath here. I'm going to raise up my presser foot just a little bit. And you should hear it click into place, and it did not click into place. You'll know when it's on because, see, that's not on. There you go. So now it's on. Press foot is down, press foot is up. It wiggles. Now, one thing you would like to do is mark your fabric. So I'm going to get some chalk and I'm going to mark the fabric. Okay, I like to mark my fabric. Let me just show you one thing. When you are determining where to place your fabric for the buttonhole, it's going to go backwards first. So your buttonhole is going to be not coming forward in the machine. It's going to go back, across, come back toward you, and then back. So I'm going to mark I like to mark a long line across. This is going to go upside down. Up and down. Let me make sure I'm in here. And then I'm going to mark it again across. This is where I want my fabric to land in there, and this is where my buttonhole is going to be. So that part, if you want to make sure and measure the button, put it over on top of the fabric, you can do that. All right, so the next thing you want to do is pull down this lever that's in the back of the machine. I'm not sure if my hand blocked that, so I'm going to do that again. There's a lever right here. Pull it straight down until it locks. And what you want to do is put it behind this first plastic notch so that the button will go this way, across, and down. Otherwise, it doesn't know which way to go. I'm going to change my setting on my Brother sewing machine to number 39. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 9. And it says presser foot A, and this is presser foot A. Okay. Yesterday I had a little bit of a challenge with this, so hopefully I won't. I'm going to line this up. See this little piece right here? I'm going to line that line that's right here, the chalk. I'm going to push this in until I see this X mark in the center of this presser foot. So I see the chalk. See the chalk. And now I see both. You have little green lines across, and you can look to see if it lines across, and it does. So when it's done that, go ahead and put your presser foot down. And then press your pedal, and it should go on its own. It will go the speed that you hold down on the presser foot. I don't like going very fast with my buttonhole, so I usually turn down my sewing machine speed to where it's not too fast. Okay. Bring your needle up. Lift up your presser foot, and it shoots back into position. Go ahead and pull this back out. And as you can see, you have your buttonhole right here. That's the front side, and that's the back side. And all you need to do is get a seam ripper and cut that open, and it will fit your button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.